Hi, good morning everyone. Good morning India. Welcome to Exit BPSC. We are here with the session of the books and author part 2. As we noted, we are preparing for the 67th PT exam of BPSC, and there are some questions about regarding the books are asked that who is the writer of that book and who is the author of that book, that book is written by whom. Sometimes such types of questions used to come every year in that examination. When you see the earlier paper of the CDPO examination of that 2022, there are the many quotes and as well as the books were asked from that examination. So I have some assumptions that maybe this year also in BPSC 67th PT they will ask some books and authors. Okay, so let's begin with our first question. My name is Nishikesh. The first one is that who wrote the book Living History? लिविंग हिस्ट्री नामक बुक किसने लिखा था? तो सर थे वो हिलरी क्लिंटन. ये बिल क्लिंटन की वाइफ थी हिलरी क्लिंटन. हु रोड द बुक क्रिकेट माई स्टाइल? कपिल देव साहब ने लिखा था क्रिकेट माई स्टाइल. ही इज रिटन बाय डैट कपिल देव साहब. ही इज अ ग्रेट इंडियन क्रिकेटर. हु रोड द बुक मिथ ऑफ महात्मा? मिथ ऑफ महात्मा रिटन बाय अर्थर कैंप. अर्थर कैंप. Who is the author of book One Day Wonder? One Day Wonder, that is Manohar Gavaskar. Sunil Manohar Gavaskar. Who drafted the Sarvodaya Plan? Sarvodaya Plan was drafted by Jayaprakash Narayan. लोकनायक भी कहा जाता था इनको. Who is the author of अध्युग अंधयुग? that is the धर्मवीर भाटी. धर्मवीर भाटी साहब ने करा था. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट फेमस बुक्स एंड राइटर. देखिए उदय भान चरित लिखा किसके द्वारा लिखा गया था? तो मुंशी ईशान अल्लाह खान. उदय भान चरित मुंशी इंशाह अल्लाह खान. ठीक है. कजार की काजर की कोठरी बाबू देवकी नंदन खत्री. काजर की कोठरी बाबू देवकी नंदन खत्री. हाथी हामिर पंडित प्रताप नारायण मिश्रा. हाथी हामिर पंडित प्रताप नारायण मिश्रा. कनकल जयशंकर प्रसाद. बहुत ही फेमस पोएट हुए हैं ये हिंदी के, जयशंकर प्रसाद. Who wrote the book Politics of India? That is Rajni Kothari. Politics of India, Rajni Kothari. Who wrote the book The Audacity of Hope? Audacity of Hope, that is the Barack Obama, the former president of United States of America. Who wrote the following documents? तवाक़त अखबारी निज़ामुद्दीन. तवाक़त अखबारी निज़ामुद्दीन. तवाक़त नासरी मिनहाज उद्दीन बिन सिराजुद्दीन. तारीख फिरोज शाही. तारीख फिरोज शाही जिद उद्दीन वरनी. तारीख यामनी अल उत्वी. अल उत्वी. Who wrote the book The Argumentative Indian? Who wrote the book The Argumentative Indian? That is the Amartya Sen. That is Amartya Sen. Who wrote the book The Unaccustomed Earth? That is the Jhumpa Lahiri. Unaccustomed Earth, Jhumpa Lahiri. Who wrote the book Sea of Poppies? Sea of Poppies, that is the Amitabh Ghosh. Sea of Poppies is written by Amitabh Ghosh. Who wrote the book In Custody? That is the Anita Desai. Anita Desai. Who wrote the poem Subhe Azadi? Subhe Azadi. Faiz Ahmad Faiz. Who translated the autobiography of Madame Curie in Hindi? That is Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. Who wrote the book Midnight Children? That is Salman Rushdie. Salman Rushdie. Who wrote the book World of All Human Rights? World of All Human Rights, that is R.N. Trivedi. Who wrote the book Ayodhya, December 1912? Ayodhya, December 1992. 1992, 1992. P.V. Narasimha Rao. P.V. Narasimha Rao. Who wrote the book The Story of Integration of India? The Story of Integration of India, that is B.P. Menon. Who is the author of book named The Post American World? The Post American World. Post American World was written by the Fareed Zakaria. Fareed Zakaria. Who wrote the book in Ignited Mind? Ignited Mind, written by Abdul Kalam Sahab. Abdul Kalam Sahab, the former president of India, the great scientist. He's also written the book that The Wings of Fire, Agni Ko Uran. इन्हीं के द्वारा रचित एक किताब है अग्नि को उड़ान. Who wrote the book The New Dimensions of India's Foreign Policy? That is Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. New Dimensions of India's Foreign Policy, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. What is the name of Khushwant Singh autography? Khushwant Singh autography. True Love and Little Malice. True Love and a Little Malice. Who wrote the book Rangbhumi. Who wrote the book Rangbhumi? That is Munshi Premchand Sahab, the great Indian poet, Hindi poet. Who wrote the book Geographical Factors of India, Indian History? Geographical Factors of Indian History. That is K.M. Panikkar. K.M. Panikkar. Who wrote the book कामयानी? जयशंकर प्रसाद. कामयानी जयशंकर प्रसाद साहब ने लिखा था, ठीक है। अग्नि की उड़ान, दैट इज द विंग्स ऑफ फायर, एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम. हु रोट द बुक नौकर की कमीज? नौकर की कमीज, दैट इज विनोद कुमार शुक्ला. विनोद कुमार शुक्ला साहब ने लिखा था नौकर की कमीज. हु रोट द बुक बिहार बिखरे मोती? दैट इज बिखरे मोती. इट इज रिटन बाय सुभद्रा कुमारी चौहान. सुभद्रा कुमारी चौहान. इनकी एक पोएम भी है, देखो कोयल काली है पर मीठी है इसकी बोली, सच टाइप. Who wrote the book Unequal Music? That is the Bikram Seth. Unequal Music written by Bikram Seth. Unequal Music written by Bikram Seth. Who is the author of Mriganayani? That is the Vinod Lal Verma. Brindalal Verma, ठीक है. Brindalal Verma. Who wrote the fiction The God of Small Things? The God of Small Things. Arundhati Roy. Arundhati Roy. I am clearing this slide. If you guys have to take the screenshot so that you can take it easily. Let me clean that slide. Oh my god. Okay, it's cleaned. The next one is that who wrote the book George Orwell? That is in 1984. Who wrote the book George Orwell? Sorry, it's a mistake in typing. The book का जो नाम था वो था 1984. It is the name of book. It's the name of book is 1984, and it was written by George Orwell. 1984 can be written in the alphabetical form also. That's it's 1984 is the name of book, and written by George Orwell. Who wrote the novel Lajja? Who wrote the novel that is named Lajja? Lajja novel is written by Taslima Nasreen. Taslima Nasreen. Who wrote the book The Heart of Mark Tully? Who wrote the book The Heart of India? Who wrote the book That Heart of India? It is written by Mark Tully. Okay. Who wrote the book Gandhian Constitution of India? Gandhian Constitution of India. Sriman Narayan. Sriman Narayan. Who wrote the book Republic of India? Who wrote the book Republic of India? That is A. Glade Hill. A. Glade Hill. Who wrote the book White Umbrella? Ujli Chhata, Ujla Chhata. That is D. Mackenzie Brown. D. Mackenzie Brown. Who wrote the book The Politics of India Since Independence? The Politics of India Since Independence. That is Paul R. Brass. Paul R. Brass. Who wrote the book Jeet Aapki? Shiv Khera. Who wrote the book Jeet Aapki? That is Shiv Khera. Who wrote the book Worshipping False God? Worshipping False God. That is Arun Suri. Arun Suri. And the last question of the session is the who wrote the book that is Half Alive. Half Alive. That is V.S. Naipaul. Okay. This is the ending of the session. Thank you. गॉड ब्लेस यू. उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोगों को ये रिलेवेंट कुछ बुक्स हैं जो कि आपके एग्जाम पॉइंट्स ऑफ व्यू से इंपॉर्टेंट है, जो कि आपके एग्जाम में आए. मैं इसको स्क्रीनशॉट लेने के लिए स्लाइड को मैं क्लियर कर देता हूँ. जस्ट ए मिनट. चलिए, थैंक यू. आई एम साइनिंग ऑफ माय सेशन. बाय बाय. टेक केयर. गुड बाय.